So today my husband returned 62. So he has 9 lives. He survived everything, all the sicknesses. I'm gonna take pictures.
Yung nakabalat na, hindi pa magiging yung nakabalat na gano'n. Diba?
Pero alam mo ba yung vitamin, yung lecithin niya, nasa balat.
Yan, kita ko yung balat ano.
Okay. Pero ang deslarin niya lang. This is cook.
Ang ano mo sa balat, balat yun. Kaya ang laman mo.
So I turn it after 10 minutes. Turn it again. So I turn it after 10 minutes. Turn it again. Yeah. People are stealing our packages lately. They have to put a camera so we know who's stealing our packages. Yeah, thanks God my coach bag wasn't stolen. Ito dapat ikakat mo.
Ay, nagkakat na yan eh.
Not so much towards you. September 4 today. It's a labor holiday. It's a labor day. At the same time, it's my husband's birthday. We're celebrating 32 years of life. I like to garnish it. I like to garnish berries. So the only people that eats pork is my husband and I don't know my other son. But my other son is not here. Thank you so much for watching. Cheese Lab Adventure. Yummy. This is a little bit old because I boiled it first, so I took out the guts before. Ready. So this year it's like this year. Mas nakakatipid ka pa pag bumili. So this is my pancit with chicken. Dito, magsahin ka.
Ha?
Magsahin ka.
Magsahin na ako.
And this is the pancit. You notice I have a band, but a hospital band because I had an accident the other day. Okay, we're just waiting for this and birthday celebrant is there. I'm gonna put the other one. We have to put that here. Okay. So today my husband will turn 62. So he has 9 lives. He survived everything, all the sicknesses. No, that's a video.
More?
Whole shirt's gonna be.
There's no sprinkler thing here, Aubrey. There's no sprinkler thing here.
Boom! 1, 2, 3.
They're all here.
Yay! Winner!
Each side, each side.
One more time, one more time. Boom!
Cake and then put a piece of the ice cream.
It's a punch. Oh, but you know that thing got erased because I was traveling. The cake that got never.
Hey, why are you giving me
Happy birthday, Lolo.
You're giving me a small piece?
She's questioning me. Adding some ice cream. The last visitor. He likes the peppery. This is the after lunch.
Oh, there, that's ready.
So, nasan, Aubrey, nasan yung lighter?
Oh, Beta! One water close!
We're blowing the cake outside. It's 62.
He's 26. Why is Kylie and Levi here? What the?
No, Levi will touch the cake.
Because of the wetness. He's gonna go smash it. This guy's.
That's
oh
what
my
he
God.
did on his birthday.
Nobody's eating it.
Get him a chair, man. Get him on a chair.
The camera's already blown out. How come we don't get it? Why?
Because you're tall enough.
Because you're adult, stand.
But Levi can't even. Oh my God, bro.
Get ready, sing happy birthday. Go, 1, 2, 3.
Birthday to him. Happy birthday to him.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to him! Yay! Are you one? Oh my God, this is a lot of counting.
Yes.
Ba't bilino mo ba? Bilino mo? No, 62 yan.
Okay, guys, everybody look this way. 1, 2, 3, cheese. I feel so happy.
Ava,
Am I
want a
allowed to
cake?
eat this?
Oh.
Okay.
What's
Big
in the
piece or
Wait,
small
Mom, what's
piece?
in there?
Oh, it's just fudge. I know
It looks like peanut butter. I'm
nuts.
not trusting you.
I'm more.
Big piece? Ava?
Yeah.
I like him. Yeah.
Why is this why is the water not clear?
Wait,
Me too, Aubrey.
there's a spoon, baby. Oh, you're waiting for a spoon. I'm sorry. Paper towels right there.
Can we even have this?
Me,
Just chocolate. It's hard though.
no, there's I have a. Oh, so you.
Mom, here,
Oh,
I already
hold
put
on.
it. Why
Mommy,
you
you
gotta
can't use the paper towel though.
I have mine.
My mother and my daughter is yelling at me for stuff.
Is it free?
Oh yeah, pagka sinabi niyang ganun, ibig sabihin more. Jake, you don't like your cake?
No, but I'm eating it. That's a good
Hello!
one.
A whole lot of cheese. No, hindi siya makilis eh.
Not life.
Out. It means out.